Howdy there, boys and girls. It's me again. And today we are at my good friend Adam's house. He is helping me put the motor back together. At the moment, we are getting all the bolt and all the little pieces ultrasonic cleaned. Adam just got a ultrasonic cleaner. Definitely looks like a deep fryer in my book. I don't know what you guys think. And we got our best of show John here. Could you give us a little intro on what you're doing right now?
We got an ultrasonic cleaner, so we are using it to clean all your lovely bolts that are dirty. So we'll go put them all through here. We'll get all the grime and make them nice and pretty.
Sounds good.
So we gotta make the chemistry here. And of course the basket's too big for your bolts, so we found another nice SR oil pan.
There you go.
To use as a secondary basket.
It's perfect for deep frying right there.
Deep frying bolts, baby.
Yep. And over here is the block, and it's cleaned up pretty nicely. I believe Adam did a spray paint job on it, right? Everything looks good. We got the crank in there. Shit's gonna be gnarly. I love the silver on that. I'm glad we didn't went with a glossy flake paint. Oh no, hell no, hell no. And could you give us a little bit of intro on what we're doing over here on the pistons?
Got all your pistons cleaned up.
Yep.
With the ultrasonic cleaner, the rods are clean.
Wow.
Gave it a detailed scrub.
So all the measurements and gaps came out good.
Came out great. I had no doubt that it would or would. So everything came out really good. And now we're just putting the rings back on.
And we're gapping it a little bit.
Already gapped it a little
Nice.
bit. Top ring is going to be at 18 thousandths.
And what does that mean? Like, how do you usually come up with the gaps?
So when you put this into the cylinder,
Uh-huh.
right, there's an end gap. So that you're measuring the end gap here. So what I'm measuring is when it's in the cylinder, the distance in between these two ends. So
Okay.
if you go with a bigger end, usually it gives you a little more headroom for your boost.
So how do you calculate that to know how much gap to put in?
There's formulas online to show you.
Nice.
Usually, with stock rings and stuff, you usually just open it up to a few thousandths, and that's more than enough.
Nice. Yeah.
How do you explain this to people? Like, hey, I need a water pump. Looks like a big tick.
Yep. That's a penis pump right here.
You only wish your
I even enjoy these like little extra dippy doodads in there.
Right. That's the tip of the penis. There you go.
Oh yeah, now we're talking. El
Look
Professional.
at how his hand's shaking. That's how you know.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to think you need extra support.
Yep.
Gosh damn.
See how the bolts came out real quick?
Our roast turkey
Yep.
with our extra oil pan.
With some agadashi tofu, some tempura shrimp. There you go.
Came out really nice. Look at that.
There you go.
These things real nice and shiny.
Oh wow. Those gloves fit your hands very snug. Adam.
They do.
Yeah.
Make sure you get that shaft well lubed up there.
There you
Make
go.
the tip. Don't forget my tip. That's it.
You and your innuendos.
It's like 5 o'clock. What do they make these kids go to school for these days?
Making Nike shoes.
Oh my god.
Smart training.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot they don't do that here.
I am happy to join with you today in what will go down in history.
thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys next time.